Dear children, welcome back to the English class. In this video, you are going to learn the question answers from the poem Brother and Sister. Let's begin the class. Here we have answered the questions. The first question, where did the children go? The answer is, the children went to the bazaar. Let's write the answer. The children, children, the children went, went to the bazaar, bazaar. The children went to the bazaar. The second question, what were the children doing there? What were the children doing there? The children were the children were looking, looking for a toy. The children were looking for a toy. What were the children doing there? The children were looking for a toy to buy. So what were the children doing there? The children were looking for a toy to buy. Once again, the children were looking for a toy, T-O-Y, toy to buy. The third question. At first, the children find what they wanted. Did the children find what they wanted? No. The children did not find what the children did not find what they wanted. What they wanted. No, the children did not find what they wanted. So what the brother want? The brother wanted a W-A-N-T-E-D. The brother wanted a tractor. The brother wanted a tractor and the sister wanted a silver star. And the sister wanted a silver star. The fourth question, did the children fight? What did each of them do? Did the children fight? Yes. They grumbled. They growled like lions. They growled like lions. They growled like lions. Did the children fight? Yes, they growled like lions. And what did each of them do? Answer now what each of them did. So what each of them did? What the sister did? The sister glared at her brother. Let's write the sister glared at her brother. And what her brother did, children? And he grumbled. And he grumbled a lot. So yes, they growled like lions. The sister glared at her brother and he grumbled a lot. The fifth question. Do you think they bought something good? Yes. They bought a book at last. Do you think they bought something good? Yes, they bought a book that, let's write that, let's erase that. Okay. So, yes, they bought a book that they could read. Yes, they bought a book that they both could share and read. Do you think they bought something good? Yes, they bought a book that they both could share and read. So that they both could share and read. So dear children, the homework is to write these question answers one time very neatly in your notebook. Thank you.